Every month, Adobe asks a creator to talk us through a recent project and explain their process. This is Narrated, and here is Sara Laninga.
I started designing packaging in my final year of university, and we had an assignment where we could kind of do whatever we wanted, so I wanted to do a branding and packaging design project. I love packaging design because it's such a tactile experience, and it's kind of something that we experience in our day-to-day life as well. I think brands need to use packaging to stand out because when a consumer purchases something, it's such an instinctual and immediate response, and it's very subconscious. So the software that I use is I always start with Adobe Illustrator. I think it's really easy to get your ideas out there. And then I love adding texture and noise and grain and everything to my work, so I usually take it into Photoshop for the final refining. My client projects vary a lot. I would say in general, I work with smaller startup brands and entrepreneurs, which I really love because I love just kind of taking their brand from the ground up and making it this really impactful thing. So Bestie is another personal project I did, and it's a brand that essentially makes skincare very simple and accessible for those who are beginning their skincare journey. Coco Amigos is a vegan chocolate brand. This one I kind of just wanted to have fun with the design and do something quite earthy and fun. I put a little jaguar in the front of the pack. So for the jaguar, I usually do a sketch and I'll trace over an actual photo of a jaguar, and then I will take that into Illustrator, vectorize it, and then after vectorizing it, I'll sometimes even take that into Photoshop and then add texture back in. Having a template to start with your designs already is a huge help because you know it already folds up properly and it works great and functions. You can download my free template for Photoshop and create your own unique packaging. Just print, fold, and stick.